Hello friends, welcome to EduIQ Pro with a new problem on the coding and decoding. So here is the question: health equal to GSK is a DG. Then what is the coded answer of the word north? So we have to find out the answer from the given options. So after analyzing this particular question, this is a rare type of questions. You have to importantly note it down. Okay, let me reverse the first word, that is reversing the parent word. Let me write here reversing the parent word. Parent word means here health is the parent word. Okay, the answer is the coded word. Health we need to reverse is the first step. After that there is a second step, that is in this problem, in this particular problem we are giving two concepts. Okay, first of all reversing the parent word, then adding -1 with each of the alphabet in the alphabet of the reversed word. Okay, reversed alphabet in the parent word, that is which is reversed. Okay, so first of all let me reverse the parent word. So let me write here health, HEALTH. Okay, HEALTH, and then I am going to reverse this particular word. Let me write here reverse. Okay, so after reversing this word I can get the word as HTLAE then H. Okay, so we have done the first step, that is the reversing of the particular word. Then the second trick is, after reversing we have to add a -1 with each of the alphabet of the reversed parent word. Okay, let me take the word H, then add a -1 with it. Okay, which will gives the alphabet G. Similarly, take the alphabet T, then adding -1 with it will gives the alphabet S. After that, taking the alphabet L, then again adding -1 will gives the alphabet K. Again taking the alphabet A, adding -1 will give the alphabet Z. Again taking alphabet E, adding -1 will provide the alphabet D. The final alphabet H, again adding with -1 will give the alphabet as G. Okay, so we got the coded answer, just GSK is a DG of the word health. In this similar manner, we have to apply the two concepts to the alphabet, to the word north. Let me write here the word north. First of all, we have to reverse the word. Okay, let me write here reverse here. After reversing, the alphabets are H, T, R, O, N. So HTRON is the reversed parent word. After reversing, we have to add -1 with each alphabet. Okay, take alphabet H, then adding the -1 will provide the alphabet G. Next, taking the alphabet T and again adding -1 will provide the alphabet S. Next alphabet is R, again adding -1 will provide the alphabet Q. Next one is alphabet N, then again adding sorry, not N. Not N, it's my mistake. Now taking the not let me strike out this N, alphabet N, taking the alphabet O, and then -1 will give N. The final one is N, and -1 is M. Okay, so there was a small mistake, I have corrected that. HTRON is the reversed word, and adding -1 with each of it will give the final answer, that is answer B. Option B is the answer. Let me write here. So the final answer is answer equal to option B. Okay, option B, and its value is G. Let me write here G S Q N M. So that is the final coded answer of the word north. So I hope everybody understand this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.